Do you want to make your air conditioner smart? Today I'm going to show you how to make any air conditioning system smart with the Cielo Breez Plus, which makes all air conditioning systems smart, whether it's a portable air conditioner, whether it's a window air conditioner, or even a ductless mini split, which I'm going to use the Cielo Breez Plus to make smart today. I'm going to talk about how this works, show you the contents of the box, and then talk about the setup and the install. Hope you're ready to learn how to make your air conditioner smart. Click that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell before we start the video. Ding! So you know what I'm doing. Leave a comment below. Let me know who you are and where you're from. And if you have a question, put it down in the comments because questions become content. You're watching HVAC Tips for Homeowners. I'm Tad. Let's get started.
So what's in the box? We've got a couple screws, some anchors. We've got a couple different mounting options. This is a table stand for the Breez Plus. We have a mounting plate so we can mount it to the wall. This device can be battery powered. It can be powered with 24 volts, 12 volts, or 5 volts. We've got a 5-volt AC adapter right here with a USB input, and this is the USB cord so that we can power our product, so that we can have an air conditioner that's smart. We also have a manual, so if you're smart, you'll read the manual because that's the way for us to hook this up properly. So let's go ahead and get it hooked up.
You can install this product right here in place of a normal thermostat that controls an air conditioning system installed in a residential home. You can use the 24-volt control wiring to now power this device. Let me show you where you would actually install the control wiring to this device.
You take the plate off of the back here. You would run the control wiring through this plate, mount the plate on the wall, and then you would have two terminals, and usually the color coding would be blue and red, and it would be labeled C and R on your thermostat, and you would place those wires right here on these terminals. And that's another way to power this device. Let's get it powered up. The device is now powered up using the AC adapter and the cord. This is where you would install the cord, and this is how you would install the table stand. So now we have power. Make sure that the air conditioning system is within 16 feet of the Cielo Breez Plus. 5 meters, 16 feet. That way you have optimal performance. Go to the App Store. If you're iOS or Android, then you can download the app. Type in Cielo Home and search, and you're going to see an app that looks just like this. You're going to install that app. You will want to turn your Wi-Fi on for your phone so that you can access the internet. You'll need to connect to your Wi-Fi network, and then you'll install the app. Once you've installed the app and you've created an account, you'll be able to then use this product through the app, which will be this screen right here. Registration process is meant to connect Breez Plus to your home Wi-Fi network through the Cielo app, the Cielo Home app. Power up Cielo device, press next, go to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone, select Cielo device from the Wi-Fi list, come back to Cielo Home app. Your phone will show a list of Wi-Fi networks. Select your preferred Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Now that we're on the app here, we need to add the device. So add a device, Cielo Breez Plus. Power on your Cielo device, which we've done. Get your location. Services on, back to the app, go to the Wi-Fi settings. You should see Cielo pop up right there. Click on it. It's going to check the quality of your internet connection, and then it should establish a connection. Select your Wi-Fi, enter your password. Give a name to your device. What is this? Well, for me, this is my studio. So I'll name it Studio. You successfully connected the device to the air conditioner. Now you're going to see this display. You click the display, and now you're going to be able to actually power your air conditioning system on and off. It's fantastic. It works really well. Let me show you. Look at that. Now, once you power it on, you can adjust the temperature. You can set a schedule. I can change the fan speed from high to medium. I can change the vane's position. Really user-friendly, and we have all the functionality that we would have without having our wireless remote control. Now we have this Cielo Breez Plus. So now I don't have to use this wireless remote controller. Now I can use my phone because my phone is now connected through this device. Something I will tell you is definitely use the manual. The manual's your best friend. You will have to register this device, and it's very easy. Another option is if you wanted to mount this product on the wall, you could use it to control the air conditioner system just like this. Power button. You can change the temperature by using the arrow buttons. You've got your humidity and your temperature displayed, and then you can change your mode right here by clicking this icon with the bars. And then you can change the position of the vane as well. Really convenient. I love this. I'm very happy. So you can oscillate, you can change the fan speed, you can turn the air conditioner back off. Very convenient and a very nice product. Link in the description for the Cielo Breez Plus. Super nice. And you've got all these features here. Awesome.
If you've purchased the Cielo Breez Plus product and you have issues setting it up, using the app, connecting to your internet, please do not hesitate to call. The Cielo team is here to help you, and there's a number for support. You can find that number down in the link in the description, or if you've purchased the product, then inside of the box where the device is, you're going to find a manual, and that manual has directions, and there is a number there so that you can call and get support today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something. And if you need to make your air conditioner smart, click the link in the description and go visit the website to learn more about Cielo Breez Plus and the product that can make any air conditioning system smart. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Homeowners. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.